This up-and-coming skincare ingredient isn't well known but has unlimited benefits for every skin type. So we're here to tell you all about this skin savior, niacinamide. Very simply, niacinamide is a type of vitamin B3, which is a really important nutrition that we can only get from our diet for our bodies, and now we can use skincare products to apply it to our skin. It's pretty hard to believe, but niacinamide has tons of properties that will make sure your skin benefits from it no matter what. It helps lock in moisture, it calms and evens out the skin tone, protects against environmental damage, brightens pigmentation, and even regulates excess sebum in oily skin and reduces the size of pores. It's also good for severe acne and anyone with eczema-prone sensitive skin. It has skin plumping properties too, so it'll smooth out all those fine lines and wrinkles. Since its list of benefits is never ending, this crowd-pleasing form of B3 has something for literally every skin type and condition. If your skin is dry, the hydrating properties of niacinamide will lock in moisture to keep you dewy and glowing. If it's oily, it'll control that extra greasiness that you're always struggling with to give you skin that's glowing but never sticky. If you have acne-prone skin, it'll gently treat your acne and acne scars by repairing and regenerating your skin. It reduces redness and uneven skin tones for people with rosacea or pigmentation. It also has a neutral pH level, so it can save you even if you have super sensitive skin. Niacinamide usually comes in a serum form, so you should apply it after your toner but before your moisturizer to allow your skin to absorb it nicely. Most products usually have about 5% of niacinamide, and if you're just starting out, then that's the right place for you. But if you have sensitive skin, you can start out with 2% and then see how your skin reacts. Since the concentration is pretty low, it takes up to 2 months to really see the results from using it. We know that sounds like too long to wait, but trust us, it's worth it. This easy-to-use ingredient works surprisingly great with your other skincare must-haves like AHAs, BHAs, vitamin C and retinol too. This is because it reduces your sensitivity to harsher products while perfecting your skin at the same time. If you want to increase your vitamin B3 intake through your diet instead, you can eat things like chicken, potatoes, bananas, lentils, and whole wheat bread and pasta. Although it's pretty safe to apply B3 as niacinamide to your skin, it's important to do a patch test first since everyone's skin is different and can react differently to it. You should also never take oral supplements of B3 without consulting with your doctor first. So we hope we've helped you figure out niacinamide and the magic that it can do for your skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.